Hey, welcome back to the farm. We're down here in the barn, and we got our old clothes on because love's in the air. We'll move our bucks around. We're gonna move Gigi in with our big buck, and you know, goats stink, and that's why we got our old clothes on. But anyway, so we're gonna separate the bucks. I'm gonna put Peanut way over here, away from the girls, and away from them, away from the lovebirds, because I don't want him to go berserk. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and do that and kind of talk about it. The one little thing, I didn't get my stuff to give away, so I won't be going live tomorrow night. I'll keep you updated. I checked the tracking, and it's somewhere down in Georgia. I mean, it's been en route for over a week, so hope I didn't get scammed. So anyway, so it'll be a little while. I'll let you know when I'm going to do it and everything. Thursday we got to take Emily back to college, so it won't be Thursday. So anyway, all right, we're going to get started. I guess I'll go with whichever one I can catch first, and might need to move this milk stand out of the way. Let me get this moved out of the way, and then we'll get going. Come on now. Oh, whoa, whoa. Woo. You know, it either goes easy or goes hard, so that wasn't too bad. Let me give him a little food to calm him down. I gotta get him a water bucket. I gotta get him a water bucket and a pan. All right, let's try to do the big boy here. Come here. Well, what about that? That was pretty easy. All right, now we gotta get now I've got their food in a water pan. I need to put water in there and some food. Let's see when we get Gigi moved over now. Okay. Come on. Now y'all stay. Come on. Just like we used to do, remember? Oh yeah, she's trained for this. All right, let me get them a little food. I know, you used to get fed, ain't you? Well, look at the little lovebirds. Okay, I got him a water bucket, I got him a feed bucket, and I got them water, and of course the little babies I got them some feed too, and they seem to be sharing it, so they've probably been missing each other. Of course the little girls are going crazy now. They ain't never been without a mama. So it'll be interesting to see how they are. It'll be alright. Now, I'm going to keep them two bucks separated. Matter of fact, I'm going to sell this one, so if you're local and you want a good little buck, let me know. I'll make you a good deal on him. I was watching the lady that does goats and milks them and everything. She said that she keeps hers separate year round. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna not put them back to. I'm not gonna get. The only reason I had him was for a companion for Chip. So you know, that's why I was keeping him. So and we kind of thinking about breeding him and. With the three younger ones, but well, he's a little small. We like just a little bit bigger. We like Chip size, a little bigger, better. So I'm gonna build a buck yard, kind of right outside this door up in there, kind of next to where I'm gonna put my pigs. And I'm just gonna build two little separate things, and we'll keep my bucks separate because I'm gonna have to get a separate buck for these three. So we're gonna breed them in the next year. So. Okay, I had to get out of that barn because it's so loud in there I couldn't hear myself think. So they're probably gonna be loud for a day or two. We'll find out. So what I was saying, I'm gonna separate the two bucks. I watched this lady who knows more about goats than I know, so she keeps her separate all the time. So that's what I'm gonna do. So anyway, I think it all went pretty well. Of course, Gigi's trained. I was surprised old Big Chip, he went in there as easy as he did. And then the little peanut, he was the one that fought. So, but they're all upset. They'll calm down. I don't know if you can hear them now. I'm about 100 yards from the barn. I can still hear them loud. Anyway, like I said, I'll keep you updated on the giveaway. As soon as it gets here, we'll do something. So anyway, hit that thumbs up, give us a like button, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. I appreciate everybody watching the videos. If you have any questions, comments, send me an email, leave a comment down below. I answer all the comments personally. Nobody else does it but me. Appreciate everybody watching the videos. Hopefully about 5 months we'll have another little set of twins or triplets maybe. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? I've been looking for another doe pretty hard, and I hadn't really found anything I like. So I really need another doe, but you know, we'll make it. We'll make it somehow. It's not life or death. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. Hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm next video.